All right, so today we're talking about mortgage brokers and mortgage purchase loans and mortgage refinance loans and home mortgage reverse loans. And can you really go to one source for all these things? Your local mortgage broker? I say yes. Now, you can say, Garrick, you say yes because you're a mortgage broker, etc. Of course, you're going to say yes, it's fine to go to one place for all these different loans. And I say, well, it is because, I've been doing this for 20 years, 21 actually. And, we know a lot about the product, okay? We're not just some chop shop that puts a guy from the 70s TV show on a commercial to try and get you to call an 800 number so we can send you a CD. We're in this for the long haul. And, I'd rather put you in the product that's right for you than a reverse mortgage. And I've been doing this so long, I can look at your situation and, advise you, but also tell you, hey, this is probably what's going to work for you. So therefore, reason number one, knowledge is power. And, we have more options, more products, more knowledge than to kind of spread out your situation, your scenarios, right? Reverse versus home equity line, etc. Like a deck of cards, if you will, and figure out what's going on. Not just try to sell you something because qualify. And then reason number two, flexibility is key. One thing, you don't know what life throws at you, but if you're working with a mortgage broker that does reverse mortgages and all of a sudden something's changed and you got to get out of it, it's good to have someone that you can trust to back you up no matter what life throws at you, and that has the flexible options to do it. Reason number three, you don't want to sacrifice time and quality. You don't want to, you can shop all these different options for forward and reverse mortgages, right, to find out which is the better one for you, but none of them will provide a comprehensive suite of products in front of you to know what the cost is, what the rates are, what is the margin on your reverse mortgage. A lot of things you may not know to ask, where it will cost you and whomever in your family, etc., successors, tens of thousands of dollars possibly in different interest charges and things you may not even be aware of. So really important to talk to someone, I'd say, that works on your behalf and not on their company's behalf. So please don't hesitate to call me. Our office is open for business, in person, socially distanced, as well as online, of course. So we are here to help you. We are independent mortgage brokers that work for you, the people. Thanks for liking and subscribing and all that good stuff.